And the chassis out. There we go, quick look. So we've got nice, got some under seal, obviously got a dent here, which taking a whack to the back. A bit weird why it's in that position, but I guess that's just the weakest place. Go around. All this looks pretty good. Some sort of suspicious area there. Trailing arm bolts, all the pipe work. All looks good. This fire looks good, all looks good. It's a bit of, say, damage around this area here. Bit of fluid leaking now. I'll sort that out in a minute. This all looks pretty good. Obviously not mint, but it looks good. It's all the sort of dirt and dust and crud there, so I'll clean it up in a minute, give it a good old clean off, see what it's like. Just looks very, very dirty, but that actually, all the stuff on the top looks good. So there's a key area in there, full of dirt. I know there's definitely rust underneath this part, and there's rust under the in the middle of this cradle here at the back. Oh, sorry, the camera stopped then, so not sure what happened in those last 20 seconds. Yeah, and that all looks good. Obviously the bumpers are actually memory foam covered in paint, so that's why they look skanky, but effectively they need cleaning up and just repainting black. A little bit of dentage there, a little bit of a dent there, but not bad. And that's probably a dent there as well. This is one of the bolts I had to grind out, so this part here goes on the inside of the car. I'll put that back in again, that's fine. And somehow remove the nut that's in there. This bit here fell down this area here under the car, so probably from those sort of bolts. There we go. This is where all the fluids leaked, so hopefully this is good. I mean, hopefully it's just removed all the paint. But this is actually just under seal, so hopefully that's not rotten, but that's all the fluids leaked on it. And there we go. Overall, I would say that